दोस्तों सुप्रभात। आज हम हैं ताजमहल में और ये ताजमहल के बारे में हमें जानकारी देने के लिए है आदिल जी। तो आदिल जी, सप्तसुर संगीत अकादमी के लिए सप्तसुर संगीत अकादमी की ओर से मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ और राहुल सोनावने सप्तसुर चैनल की ओर से आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। सुनाइए।
So now finally we are in Taj Mahal. This is all part of Taj. So हम डायरेक्टली ताजमहल के अंदर आ चुके हैं। ये पूरा ताजमहल का पार्ट है। तो बाकी जो है एक्सप्लेन मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगा।
ये तो पॉज सो कोणते
पॉज नाही, डायरेक्ट बंदच करतो
नाही, पॉज असणार ना।
मेरी मुमताज ने इन तीनों के शाहजहां
Come everyone, stay here. आप लोग सब यहाँ पर आ जाइए। Alright, now I'm talking about the Taj Mahal. I'm talking about this area. So first of all, we are standing here. This is the fourth courtyard, and actually in the fourth courtyard, in the fourth entrance gate of Taj. So which gate we are in is called the West Gate. Same gate opposite is called the East, and see the behind one is called the South Gate, and this is the North Gate. Actually, Northern Gate, this is the main gate of Taj Mahal, means Royal Entrance Gate. So you know how many name of this gate? Three name of this gate. So the first name of this gate is called the Main Gate, Royal Gate, and the Principal Gate. So this is the Principal Gate. So what the reason why it's called the Principal Gate? Again, you can watch East, West, and South. And have a look all the gate is, and again have a look the front of the gate. All is simple, there no work. And now see the principal gate and see the front of the gate and decoration by flowers. Look like a painting, but actually it's not a painting. It's all our real stones inlaid into white marble. Because all the stone bought different country, bring here, used in the main gate. That's why it's called principal gate. And height of this gate is bottom to top 105 feet, means 35 meters. Again, the beauty of this gate, you see the border of three sides. See the writing, border of three sides. This side में आपको border दिखाई देगा, three sides में लिखा हुआ है. So that's the Arabic used here. Arabic, that's Arabic. So what the reason why Arabic used from here? Because King of Shah Jahan, he was Muslim, so that's why he used Arabic. So this is the morning. Again, the beauty of this Arabic from here look like a painting color, right? But I told you that the painting is all a real stones inlaid into white marble. So first is dig it out the white marble about half inch deep with hammer and chisel. Use at that because that time no machine, all done by hand. So first is dig it out the white marble, then fit the stones one by one. So name of black stone is called onyx. Onyx from Belgium. And see the center, the orange flower. Yes. See, that's name of this stone. This is cornelian. Name of the stone cornelian from Yemen, near the Saudi Arabia. And see the green leaf is called malachite. Malachite from South Africa. Some more stone used inside the white building. The name of the stone is called blue lapis from Afghanistan. Jade from Sri Lanka. Turquoise from Turkey. So I mean all the stones both different countries bring and use in Taj Mahal. So that's why beauty of this Taj, because of labels, it's no colors, no paint. So you have an idea. So how many people to make Taj Mahal at that time? How many laborers? Have an idea, anyone? 20,000 people. So 20,000 people to make Taj Mahal. And still, the same descendant family who built the Taj Mahal, leading the men of South generation to them. So what he doing there is still use the same techniques, because all done by hand, no use any machine. Because you don't know about those time how to make Taj Mahal, how giving shape of flower, dig it out the marble, how fix the stone, and how spark the stone. So really after that, after this sightseeing, I'll took there, I'll show you how make of this thing, and really after that work, you are absolutely understand how to make Taj Mahal at that time. Why take too much time?
Could you tell me how many days or how much period it took for these 20,000 people to build Taj Mahal?
Yes, I told you 20,000 people to make Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal took 22 years to build Taj Mahal.
Oh.
22 years to build Taj Mahal. So beginning of this Taj Mahal in 1631, and when it's complete in 1653. So that means 22 years to build everything. And you know how much spent money that time in Taj Mahal? And 40 million rupees. I'm talking about in 16th century. So you know how much cost of gold at that time for 10 grams? 1.5 rupees. Now today, about 50,000 rupees cost of gold, 10 grams. Alright? Okay, let's go to inside.